Welcome to Aetna Frontage Road in Magnolia, Kentucky.
This beautiful 5-acre parcel features a fully 1-acre stock pond loaded with bluegill, red ear, catfish, bass, and crappie. A water fountain not only adds visual appeal, but also filters the water, ensuring optimal oxygen levels for thriving fish in a healthy pond. Situated on a corner lot, this property offers the perfect setting for your dream home. With no known restrictions, county water and a 200-amp electric service is available. It's time to grab your fishing pole and your house plans, and let's turn your dream into reality.